Let's begin with the ingredients, shall we? So we've got our bell peppers, onions, meat, carrot, we've got curry powder, we've got bay leaves, Maggi, chopped onions, we've got our spring onions, salt, chili powder, blended garlic and ginger, we've got aromatic paprika, nutmeg, cinnamon, rice, and vegetable oil. So to begin with, guys, we will blend our tomatoes and cook it. I personally cooked my tomatoes just to get rid of the fresh tomatoes taste. Also, it speed up the cooking process. So to steam the meat, we will add Maggi, onions, blended garlic and ginger, and water. And we'll be steaming this meat for 10 minutes. Once the meat is done, we will pour our oil into the pan and fry it for 5 minutes. Once the meat is nice and brown, we will then set it aside, guys. So in the same pan, we will be frying our onions for about 3 minutes. Once the onions are done, guys, add your tomato paste, your curry, which is like about 2 tablespoons of curry and 2 tablespoons of paprikas. So guys, now we will add our cooked tomatoes and the stock from the meat. Give it a good stir and then add your chili powder, your bay leaves, your Maggi, and let the stew cook for about 10 minutes. Whilst the stew is being cooked, guys, we will wash the rice, put the rice into the stew, mix it, and then transfer it into an oven dish. So now add your carrot, the bell pepper, and your fried meat. Mix it and cover it with kitchen foil and bake it for 45 minutes to an hour on 200 degrees. Guys, this is how it looks after 45 minutes of baking. Look at that. Is that not beautiful, guys? So guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave your comments and your feedback below, and guys, follow me on my social media. Bye and see you next time.